sono digital Modicon Edge I, I'm your host, Leandro Marco. In this video, what we're going to see is how we can create a project offline so that we can download that configuration to the main solution. So let's go to the software. So the first thing is that we need to install in our PCs the Modicon EdgeIO Configurator, which is the tool that allows us to create a configuration. Okay? We have different ways to start this. So we have the possibility to connect directly to the plugin, okay? Or we can start a project offline, which is the way we're going to show you. So we start offline. Once you create the project offline, okay, you should be able to see that you are not connected to the device, which is okay. But you need to create your project where you can have the connection. So we're going to create a new configuration. At the moment, not of the reference I'm creating. So if you are using the version that I showed in the previous videos, that is available on each other website, not all the communication modules and all devices are available. Okay? So you need to stick with what we have here to select. In my case, I have this one. So just click over here, and we just select it. Okay, no problem. Here to create your project name. So I'm going to start with my EdgeIO configuration. And I to just create the project with just the network interface model at the beginning. Now, we got the power supply, which is the only one available at the moment. Okay, in the next version, you have the possibility to select the in and in the power supply. So at the moment, this is what we have. That's why we just jump that into the animate models. So here, add models. In this case, there is no bus extender because that will depend on the being used. At the moment, we have this one available, so not available again. Okay, so we just add module. Here you should be able to see all the different modules available to be added into the new one, which is the only one available, and the only one that we have in this project. So here we find certain values on the card, display output. So in case you just want to add digital input, select this one, and we just add on this button, and we have to add just once or multiple times. So we add multiple times, select the amount that we want. So I'm going to use for 4. Add, and then we'll add 4 different models, 4 models of that specific reference. Or we just select here, add model once, and just add over time. We can go also select all of here and add here on the bottom. See it. Add, and then we add device over there. Simple as that. So we just have the possibility to copy and paste, but then paste the name that you have before. Okay, so copy, and it paste, it will paste the same. Okay, so you just need to check that. So as soon as you have the model there, you have the possibility to change the name over here. So click on the model here, model, and just change the name over there. Okay, so let me just delete all this. No. Something very important, and if you pay attention, is that you have this kind of battery over here. So depending on the amount of devices or models slides that you have, it will reduce the capacity of the power supply. So you need to be careful about it. So for example, if I add for this one, then add, and add another one. Another one. So you need to see here the power supply, power consumption. So reduce this. Let's see. So here I can add another one. Which let me put. here you can see the consumption. Okay, how much I have less. Okay. So in case we need more, what we need to do is to add model. And here you have this power supply. Just need to add the power supply in order to increase that part. We can put it on here. You can see here that I have okay. Just to start making things. So going to remove this. Not sure if I can use the delete. No, doesn't work. So remove. So if you compare this with, for example, with the TNT Bascapia configurator or the Advantis software, you see the good look and feel that we have now with this. Okay, so let's just add a simple digital IO. I believe I got this one. So it's the it's this one, the one I have. Select, add, and then yeah, that's it. Let's just switch this one. So depending on the model that we just added, okay, we have different configuration of the model. So for example, this one we have the possibility to configure the piece, I don't know, the analog input here. It depends on the model that you have. So it's very important. I know, like I already mentioned before, that we have this for the ion master. So how will it go? Play with it. Okay, I think it's something very important to play. I'll start working with this. So I'm going to remove this part. Remove this one. So now that you have built this, it's important to configure the IP address of the device. Okay, so here underneath we have this. So just check here. We have this pen over here. If you click it, you should be able to change this. 168.1.12 in the case. This is going to have 0, and this one is going to be 1.2.1.1. Here, just need to configure all the things that we need to. Okay. We have a possibility to use NTP. We have a service we want to use from the RIA. Okay, and M580, just make this true. This is the IP address of the USB. Okay, this one has a USB-C port, then we can obviously connect. And these are the registers. So this is so far what we can do at the moment. So we just need to build a configuration. Okay, then we just save the configuration. Let me just find the folder. Okay, so here, save it, and now that's it basically. We have the configuration of the device. So I was to log in. Okay, sorry. Here we just need to find the IP address. By default is 10.10. The 4 digits of the MAC address. In case I already changed this, if you take a look here, I use the store IP, which is pointing to this side. Okay, so that way I already changed and used the store one that's right here. 102.168.1.12. Okay, in my case is security admin, it's the default user, and then if it's the first time is ace. Okay, it's the default, and then you need to change that. How it changes, so it's going to be administrator 1. Login, should be able to see it. Okay, good. So I have the connection. Okay, this indicates that I have the connection to the device. It's connected. Now I should be able to online. You can see here that I have an inconsistency between the actual configuration of the module and the one I have here in the project. So I'm going to cancel this because I don't know what's there. So file. So as you log in, you have also the possibility to have the scan. Okay. Fine, I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to check what we have. So here is the actual configuration that we have in the island. Okay. So what I'm going to do is to open on this. So yeah, this one. Okay. Now I'm going to download this. Again, here you can see we have two things that are different. Okay. So everything is different. Okay. So just proceed. Download. Go online. You can see here, this one is the one that is correct, which is fine. You can see all the LEDs here showing that it is a problem, and it's okay because that part is not configured. This it is. And then we have some push button. Some push button here, so I will need to press something on the partner. Let's see. This. Here you should be able to see that I have something there. Yeah, you should be able to see that I press these two are connected together. It has some memory codes. You change the value. Okay. There we go. And you see also here that I have the signal coming out. Okay. Just to show you that it's working fine, just a little configuration. Let's see. Okay. You can also check all these things. There are part of information here, but I'm not going to look at that one. But it's important to know that the device recognized they are already device, okay, connected, but they're not configured, which is good. So you can see that. Okay. So this is how you can build your offline project and how to download it. Okay, I probably I spoiled that part. I'm going to show you later, but this is how you can make the offline configuration using the Modicon EdgeIO Configurator software. So thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you on the next one.